English Dialogue Studio.
Daily English conversations for learners.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Dialogue Studio. I'm Emma.
And I'm Daniel. We're so happy you're here with us again today.
Today's topic is something we all need every day.
Yes, today we're talking about drinks.
Whether it's water, coffee, tea, or something fun.
Drinks are a big part of our daily lives.
Questions like,
What's your favorite drink?
do you prefer hot or cold drinks?
What do you usually order at a coffee shop?
Are you a coffee person or a tea person?
After today, you'll be able to answer these questions easily.
Let's start with the most essential drink.
Water.
We all need water to survive.
Still or sparkling?
Tap water or bottled.
With lemon or plain?
Repeat, still or sparkling. Tap water or bottled. With lemon or plain.
You can say,
I drink a lot of water every day.
I always carry a water bottle with me.
I prefer sparkling water with a slice of lemon.
Tap water is fine for me.
Repeat, I drink a lot of water every day. I always carry a water bottle with me. I prefer sparkling water with a slice of lemon. Tap water is fine for me. Let's have a conversation about water.
Emma, how much water do you drink in a day?
I try to drink about 8 glasses. Not always, but I try.
Same here. I have a water bottle on my desk.
Do you drink tap water or bottled?
Tap water is fine where I live. It's good quality.
Lucky you, I prefer filtered water. Water is life. Now let's talk about hot drinks.
Coffee and tea are the most popular.
Coffee,
Black coffee, espresso, Americano, latte, cappuccino, mocha, macchiato, flat white, cold brew, iced coffee.
repeat. Black coffee, latte, cappuccino, espresso, cold brew, iced coffee.
Tea,
Black tea, green tea, white tea, oolong tea, herbal tea, chai tea, Earl Grey, English breakfast, chamomile, peppermint, matcha.
Repeat. Black tea, green tea, herbal tea, chai tea, Earl Grey, chamomile, matcha.
Let's talk about coffee preferences.
Daniel, how do you take your coffee?
Black, no sugar. Simple.
Really? I need milk and sugar. Black coffee is too strong for me.
It's an acquired taste. What about tea?
I love green tea with a little honey.
Everyone has their preference. Now let's talk about cold drinks.
Soda, juice, smoothies, and more.
Soda, pop, or Coke, depending on where you're from.
Cola, diet cola, lemon lime soda, ginger ale, root beer, orange soda, tonic water.
Repeat. Cola, diet cola, lemon lime soda, ginger ale, root beer,
Juice,
orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, grapefruit juice, pineapple juice, tomato juice, freshly squeezed juice.
repeat. Orange juice, apple juice, cranberry juice, grapefruit juice, pineapple juice, freshly squeezed juice.
Smoothies and shakes.
Fruit smoothie, green smoothie, protein shake, milkshake, chocolate shake, strawberry shake, vanilla shake.
Repeat. Fruit smoothie, green smoothie, protein shake, milkshake, chocolate shake, strawberry shake, vanilla shake.
Let's talk about cold drinks.
Daniel, what's your favorite cold drink?
On a hot day, nothing beats iced tea.
Sweet or unsweetened?
Unsweetened with lemon. Perfect.
I love a good fruit smoothie in the summer.
What kind?
Strawberry banana is my go-to. Refreshing. Now, let's talk about alcoholic drinks.
For adults, drinks with alcohol are popular for celebrations.
Beer, Lager, ale, stout, IPA.
Wine, red, white, rosé, sparkling.
Cocktails, margarita, mojito, martini, old-fashioned.
Spirits, vodka, whiskey, rum, gin, tequila.
Repeat. Beer, wine, cocktails, spirits.
You can ask,
Do you drink alcohol?
what's your favorite cocktail?
Red or white wine?
Beer or wine with dinner?
Repeat. Do you drink alcohol?
What's your favorite cocktail?
Red or white wine?
Beer or wine with dinner?
Let's talk about alcoholic drinks.
Emma, do you drink wine?
Sometimes I prefer white wine, especially with seafood.
Nice. I'm more of a beer person.
What kind?
IPAs are my favorite. They're hoppy and flavorful.
Different tastes for different people. Now, let's talk about ordering drinks at a restaurant or bar.
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
Can I get a pint of lager?
A margarita, please, on the rocks.
I'd like a mojito.
Just water for me, thanks.
Repeat. I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
Can I get a pint of lager?
A margarita, please, on the rocks.
I'd like a mojito.
Just water for me, thanks.
Let's practice ordering drinks.
As server, what can I get you to drink?
As customer, I'll have a glass of Sauvignon Blanc, please.
Great. And for you, sir?
A pint of IPA, please.
Coming right up.
Easy.
Now, let's talk about drinks for different occasions.
Morning, coffee, tea, orange juice.
Afternoon, iced tea, soda, water.
Evening, wine, beer, cocktails.
Celebrations, champagne, cocktails.
Hot days, iced drinks, smoothies.
Cold days, hot chocolate, coffee, tea.
Repeat. Morning, coffee.
Afternoon, iced tea.
Evening, wine.
Celebration, champagne.
Hot day, smoothie.
Cold day, hot chocolate. Let's talk about drinks for different occasions.
Emma, what's your go-to morning drink?
Coffee, definitely. I can't function without it.
Same. What about after work?
Sometimes a glass of wine to relax.
Nice. And on a hot summer day?
Iced tea with lemon. Perfect. Drinks for every moment. Now, let's learn some adjectives to describe drinks.
Refreshing, hydrating, energizing, soothing, warming, cooling, sweet, bitter, sour, tangy, fruity, floral, earthy, strong, weak, bold, smooth, creamy, fizzy, sparkling, still, flat, icy, hot, warm, room temperature.
Repeat. Refreshing,
Energizing,
soothing,
sweet,
bitter,
sour,
fruity,
floral,
earthy,
strong,
smooth,
creamy,
fizzy,
sparkling.
icy.
Let's use them in sentences.
This lemonade is so refreshing on a hot day.
This coffee is strong and bold, just how I like it.
The hot chocolate is creamy and soothing.
This sparkling water is nice and fizzy.
Repeat. This lemonade is so refreshing.
This coffee is strong and bold.
The hot chocolate is creamy and soothing.
This sparkling water is nice and fizzy.
Now, let's fix some common mistakes.
Mistake number 1. I want a coffee.
This is correct, but in some contexts, I'd like a coffee is more polite.
Mistake number 2. I like drink tea.
Missing two or wrong form.
Correct. I like to drink tea. Or, I like drinking tea.
Mistake number 3. This coffee is more strong.
We usually say stronger, not more strong.
Correct. This coffee is stronger than that one.
Mistake number 4. Can I have a water?
Water is uncountable, but a water is acceptable in restaurants, meaning a bottle or glass of water.
Can I have some water is safer.
Let's practice. I'd like a coffee, please. I like drinking tea in the afternoon. This coffee is stronger than that one. Can I have some water, please?
Perfect.
Now, here are some idioms about drinks.
A storm in a teacup.
This means making a big deal out of something small.
Example, they were arguing about nothing. A storm in a teacup.
Not my cup of tea.
This means something is not to your liking.
Example, reality TV isn't really my cup of tea.
To spill the tea.
This is slang for sharing gossip.
Example, come on, spill the tea. What happened at the party?
To be wide awake.
This means to be fully awake, often after coffee.
Example, I'm wide awake after that espresso.
To take with a grain of salt.
This means to not believe something completely.
Example, take his story with a grain of salt. He exaggerates.
Repeat. Storm in a teacup. Not my cup of tea. Spill the tea. Wide awake. Take with a grain of salt.
Before we finish, let's review.
We learned about water, still or sparkling.
Essential for life.
We learned about hot drinks, coffee and tea.
Latte, cappuccino, green tea, chai.
We learned about cold drinks like soda, juice, and smoothies.
Cola, orange juice, fruit smoothies.
We learned about alcoholic drinks.
Beer, wine, cocktails, spirits.
We learned how to order drinks.
I'll have a glass of red wine, please.
We talked about drinks for different occasions.
Morning coffee, evening wine, celebration champagne.
We learned adjectives for drinks.
Refreshing, strong, smooth, fizzy.
We fixed common mistakes.
And we learned some drink idioms.
That's everything you need for talking about drinks.
Here's your challenge for today.
Think about your favorite drink.
Describe it in English.
My favorite drink is a latte with oat milk. It's smooth and comforting.
I love iced tea with lemon. It's so refreshing.
Practice saying it out loud.
Now go to the comments.
Tell us about your favorite drink. What is it? When do you usually drink it? For example, my favorite drink is chai latte. I drink it in the afternoon when I need a pick-me-up.
That sounds lovely.
Or, I love a good margarita on a summer evening. So refreshing.
Perfect for summer.
Share your favorite drinks with us.
And if this episode helped you,
Please subscribe to English Dialogue Studio.
hit the notification bell so you never miss a lesson.
We post new English conversations every day.
Next time, we'll talk about another everyday topic.
You'll have to come back to find out.
Until next time, keep practicing
Keep learning.
and keep speaking English.
Thanks for joining us at English Dialogue Studio.
Bye, everyone.
See you soon.